Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm do events decor, but I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm a flip furniture mom. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. And today's video is April as the first month I'm flip. I coming to say how much I make flip furniture. And first of all, I want to thank you, everybody, the kind of words, the text, the support, and I have no thank you enough for everybody help me. The friends give me the things for free for I flip, and I would like to say thank you so much. For my subscribers, in 1 month I have 100 subscribers. And thank you so much for the kind words, for the tips, for everything. Thank you so much. And let's go to start. The first flip I did was this dresser. I got this on Facebook Plus Market for free. I spent around $20 on paint. I sold that for $1.95. Flip number 2. The bedroom set. I got this dresser on a Facebook Plus Market for free. I got this 2 nightstands on my local thrift store for $60. I sold that for $500. I spent around $20 in paint, and I keep the same hardware. Flip number 3, 4, 5, and 6. I got this mirror from my friend Stacy. Thank you so much, Stacy. She gave it to me. I flipped that for $90. Flip number 4 is this sofa I got from my friend Martha. Thank you, Martha. And I sold that after I cleaning. I sold that for $70. Flip number 5 was a lamp. A stand lamp my friend Tisha gave to me. Thank you, Tisha. And I flipped that for $75. Flip number 6, I got this table lamp from my friend Jim. Thank you, Jimmy. And I flipped them for $20. Flip number 7, I got this Rocky Sherry from my friend Mary. Thank you, Mary. I flipped them for $40. Flip number 8, I got this coffee table on the next door up on my neighborhood for free. I sold that for $180. Flip number 9, I got this desk on Facebook Place Market for free. I flipped them for $130. Wow, on my first month flip furniture, I make 9 flips. Wow. And I have a total $1,360. April, the first month I'm flipping furniture, I make it $1,360 on the total. I spent 523 cents in material in furniture. $1,360 minus 523 cents. I make a profit $649.77. Go straight to my daughter's tuition. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the videos like this, don't forget that next Thursdays I come with another flip. If you like, please like, share and subscribe on my channel. One more time, thank you so much. See you on next flip. Bye.